Good evening, traders. It's Byoa from London. It's Thursday morning, the 14th of July, I believe. The currency pair I'm looking at today is the pound yen on the daily chart, and my analysis is gonna be based on channel analysis and a particular type of AB equals CD pattern called the reciprocal AB equals CD. Now this kind of pattern is mostly used in a trending market. So I'm gonna treat this downward price movement as some kind of a new trend. So it's a well-defined downtrend. So what I'm looking to do is to identify expecting price to rally and probably tag the upper boundary of this channel before further downside. So I'm looking to place an entry order near the upper boundary of this channel. But to determine my entry level, I'll be using this pattern called a reciprocal AB equals CD. So what this does is, if you choose the first retracement within the trend in the channel that tagged both boundary of the channel, both the upper and lower boundary of the channel line, from here to here, and if you do a Fibonacci extension of that to coincide with when price next tagged the boundary of the channel, in this case because it's a downtrend, so you want to do an extension of this leg here and see if it lines up with any important Fibonacci numbers when price tagged the bottom of the channel again. And as you can see from here, it's 200%. So basically, at the recent low was approximately at 200% of the first retracement. So based on that 200% number, what I'll be looking at now is price to rally up to a 50% retracement of this leg from this point to this point before further downward movement. Now obviously, if this number was different, assuming this number was 161.8, then the reciprocal of that would be 618 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. So assuming this leg here from this point to this point was 161.8 extension of the AB leg. So basically you got A, B, C, and D point should be 50% retracement of this leg, of the BC leg. I'm just leaving all this. So that's A, B, C, and D. Right. So my idea is to basically place an entry order near the D point. So if the BC is 200% extension of the AB leg, then you want D point should be around 50% of the BC leg. If that's 161.8, the D point to be 61.8 retracement. If that was 141, 1.41 Fibonacci extension of the AB leg, then the D point will literally be like 70.7 Fibonacci retracement of the BC leg. Anyway, in this instance, it is 200%, so D point should be ideally 50% of that. So if I do 50% of the BC leg, is that level there, which is 129.1. And another way of doing this is literally just measure the point the AB leg, project that from the C point, which is what I've done here. This line here is literally a replicate of the AB leg, and I project from the C point. So from there I have a 91 minus 64, a roughly 30 pip range of where our price should rally up to before for that downside movement inside this channel. So yeah, I'll put an entry level at 1.29 as so that 129.64, for 129.70, and ideally the stop loss should be above this trend line. In this case, I'll take on a lot of pip for my stop loss. So I put my stop loss above this doji here, so at 131. So entry order as 129.7, just in the middle of this range. Stop at 131, and in terms of target, it's gonna be an open objective because I literally want to trade this channel. So I'll be looking to either go. I'll be trailing my stop accordingly, but my ultimate target will be for price to tag the bottom this trend line, the bottom boundary of the channel, right? So to summarize, I'm basically using channel analysis and reciprocal ABCD with a simple AB equals CD to identify a 30 pip range. I place my entry level at 109.7 in the middle of that resistance zone. Stop loss are above this doji. Ideally, ideally just be above this channel, or the upper bound of the channel line. Or you never know how fast it's gonna pierce this channel before moving downwards. So stop loss 131, and target is an open objective. But the ultimate target is for price to tag the bottom boundary of this channel. So that's all I wanted to talk about today. And so thank you very much for listening, and good luck trading.